Yeah. Yeah, here in a minute. Yeah. Put your shoes on.
I put these.
Okay, but you gotta stay over here, okay? That's doing the dangerous part right now.
Okay.
You gotta lift it up and then I gotta make sure it's safe.
How is it strong? This is a big car.
It is a big car, right?
How is it strong? It's a big car. It's like bigger than that. What are those?
Jack stands?
Jack stand. Oh, it's where you stand the car up. Just like a little bit.
Yeah.
But it kind of looks bigger.
Okay, see? There we go. Okay. See? It's off the ground. That's what we want.
Why do we want it off the ground?
We're gonna change the brakes. We're gonna shake it, make sure it doesn't fall. Stand back. All right, see? Feel pretty safe about that, right?
I'm going outside.
It's kind of hot, right?
Well, for me, it's not that hot. I can just meditate out here.
See how the tire's getting loose now?
Yeah.
All right.
What's that sound? We don't have music in our house.
It's at the stadium.
Stadium. Like where that big lion is?
Yeah, the Bobcat Stadium.
Bobcat Stadium. Tires loose.
Yeah.
I'm scared. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay back for this one.
Yeah, stay back a little bit.
Okay.
You always gotta make sure.
That's a big tire.
And then for extra safety.
Whoa, I always wanted to see what the inside of the car looks like. Oh, I see it moving! I see it moving!
All right, so problems. This is where we're at. This one does not fit. The 10. All right, it's too big. Okay, and we got the 8. Alright. And the 8 is too small. Let's see. I don't have like a heavy duty jack. This is the jack that I have. So this is what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna have to put a jack stand and then another jack stand on the other side. And then we're gonna go from there. Changing the brakes. I don't know how to do none of this. Yeah, you don't even need that many tools for this job. Just like this, really.
To change the what, brakes?
The brakes and a screwdriver, like pop it off. Okay, so we got it hooked up here, right, with a bunch of cord. This just snaps in there, so they snap right off. That's how they're gonna go right back in there too. This is the old one. And then, see, we have it sitting where that line doesn't bend. This would probably be like the easiest, least expensive, most cost-efficient job that you could ever learn how to do.
Changing your brakes.
Changing your brakes. Because it's something like you don't have to do all the time, you know? But like if you learn how to do it, it's just like a few tools. Really. Nobody wants to see all that bullshit. Yeah. Oh, here. Yeah, go for it. All right. Here's what you do. Kind of like, see how I'm pulling it? And then I'm pushing this too at the same time. And then, I don't know if you can see it, you don't want to stick your head in there, really. Make kind of line it up.
So push it this way.
You feel it?
Ah, yeah.
Okay. Now do the same thing to the top. Don't tighten it all the way yet. Perfect. Like just like a little bit of grease came out at the top.
Maybe like that. Alright, it won't let me go now.
Okay, try it on the bottom again. It's pretty tight.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, if it's pretty tight, then yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now do it on the top.
It's
See?
tight. That's
See?
just-
That's it?
Are you sure? You don't want to see it how it is?
No, that's it. I'm telling you, like, it doesn't have to be like super tight. I don't know. I've never had a torque wrench in my life. However hard it was to like take it off, that's how much pressure I think I'm gonna put back on whenever, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's how I do that. That's not good. Okay, well, I'll do what I can.
Yeah, I think they will love this video.